Okay, we're going to start chapter 7, Energy of a System. We've been looking at chapters 3 through 6. We've been looking at changes. Velocity is a change in position. Acceleration is a change in velocity. Force causes a change in motion. And in this chapter, we're going to study a quantity called energy that's conserved. There is no change. It can be transferred, but there is energy is conserved. You can't create energy and you can't lose energy. It is just transferred from one form to another. So the total energy of an isolated system does not change during any process that occurs in the system. It is conserved. And we're going to learn a new idea about a system, and that's where we'll start off, really. Valid systems. Okay, systems and environments. In the system model, we focus on a small portion of the universe. We ignore details of the rest of the universe outside the system. The following are all valid systems. It may be a single object or particle. It may be a collection of objects or particles. It may be a region of space, such as the interior of an automobile engine combustion cylinder, or it may vary with time and size and shape, such as a rubber ball which deforms upon striking a wall. Part of identifying the system is identifying the system boundary. We can imagine a surface, not necessarily coinciding with a physical surface, that divides the universe into the system and the environment surrounding the system. So, as an example, we can look at the system that you used to discover to do the Atwood experiment. That was a system. So in the figure, you have a system that's a combination of a ball, block, and a cord. So the influence from the environment includes the gravitational forces on the ball and the block, the normal and friction forces on the block, and the force exerted by the pulley on the cord. So these are all internal to the system. They're not included as influences from the environment. So that's just a short intro to our discussion of systems and environments. Next, we're going to discuss section 7.2, work done by a constant force.